Silver and gold I may have none, but what I will not take is my hair looking like my problems. Like, what in God's name will make my hair be like this? It is not possible. Let's fix this right now. So join me on this video as we make a quick fix in some few minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to Marvispicy. Today I'm showing you a quick and easy hairstyle that is perfect for students living abroad or anyone who just need a neat stylish look without spending too much time. We're gonna be doing a sleek Afro bun with styling gel, which is a lifesaver on busy mornings before class or even work. So first thing first, we're going to make sure that your hair is clean and slightly damp. If it's dry, just spray a little water to soften it or even straighten it with hair dryer, like as you can see me do. I'm trying to straighten my hair. I washed it and I'm drying it with hair dryer. And this makes the gel spread better and keeps the style very smooth. And for this bun, we are going to be needing a good styling gel, a brush and a comb, an hair tie or band, which is optional though, and a silk scarf or wrap for setting. Me, I make use of my hair dryer, my comb. All this was to make my hair smoothing a little bit because my hair is obviously very due. It's not natural hair, it's semi-natural. I call it semi-natural because it's in between transitioning from natural hair to, or let's say transition from my palm hair to natural hair. So because I want this bun very silk, so I had to straighten my hair a bit with my hair dryer. Yeah, another thing I did was to section my hair into different parts. Like I started from the back side. Like I took a portion of my hair from the back, put them in a ponytail, smoothing it with my comb as smooth as I can, take them bit by bit. Then before I start to apply generous amount of styling gel, I applied it very evenly around the edges of my hair. I walk it through with my fingers and a brush or that small comb you see me doing. I make sure that every section is coated. That is why I partition my hair in different segments. I'm not shy with the gel. Don't be shy with the gel at all. This will give the bun that neat and polished look. Start smoothing your hair back as you apply. As you are applying, please be smoothing your hair. The goal is to make that silk finish without leaving any dry patches. You understand? So let's keep going. Once that hair is smooth back, do as much as you can. Make sure that the gel is applied to every section of the hair. Pull it back as smoothly as you can. Use your hands, use your brush, depending on what works for you. Right now I'm using my hand because I want the gel to take over every portion of the hair. You can decide to use your brush or use your styling comb. Whatever works for you works at this point. So once your hair is smoothened back and you've gathered it into a ponytail at the spot where you want your bun to be, you can decide to make it high bun. You can decide to make it mid or low. For me, I'm doing the low one. Yeah, depending on your style preference, it's left to you. Then you have to secure it very well with an hair tie, a rubber band, or even a thread if you can, all to make sure that it's fully and firmly secured. And if your hair is very short, don't worry, you can still silk it back and let the bone be smaller depending your hair size. So you twist that ponytail around itself and wrap it into a bun shape, then secure with another hair band or some bobby pins depending of the size of your hair. Okay, this is an optional part. To make the buns last all day, you can tie with a silk or satin scarf around your hair. Leave it on for at least 5 to 10 minutes or longer if you have the time. This helps you to set the gel, smooth down all the flyaways hair, and give that fresh salon finish without actually going to the salon. Another thing you can do is that when you remove your scarf, you can decide to check your edges, create some baby hair. You can use a small brush with some gel to style them however you like. You can do some simple style or even the creative, dramatic designs of baby hairs. We see all that all the time anyway. So you can get that secured. Then you can now add your extensions, like your Afro Bun extensions. At this point, you're good to go. Add your extensions. They are in different types. You can decide to use this Afro that I'm using. There are other ones, ponytail, long style that you can use, wavy hair, water hair that you can use. Just make it anything that works for you at this point. Do you know you can also create your own ponytail by yourself, like your Afro Bun from the scratch, or even any of the form of ponytail that you have that you want to create for yourself? You can do it from the scratch. If you want to know how to do that, just drop me a comment in the comment section and I will do a tutorial on how to create your natural Afro Bun from the comfort of your home, as well as other hairs that you can use as ponytails, like braids, like twists that you can use as ponytails, and that can serve you any day, anytime, always on the go, right? Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you like that. So after installing that extension, the Afro Bun, you can decide to style it. You can put your styling mask, and you can also put some hairspray just to give it some pop of shine, and just to set your hair all day, you understand, in order to allow all those flyover hair to lay back, and just style it as you desire. So that's it. It's a silk Afro Bun that is quick, easy, and perfect for students abroad who want to look stylish while saving time and money. Trust me, all these Afro Buns are very affordable. You can use them multiple times. In fact, you can use them for years. Trust me on that. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Marvispicy for more quick and practical beauty tips. Share this with a friend who is always looking for simple hairstyles. I also love to hear from you, so share your thoughts in the comments below. What was your favorite part, and what should I do next in any of my tutorials in the video coming next? And remember, whether it's beauty, study, or life abroad, you can always make it spicy with Marvispicy. Until I see you again in my next video, stay confident and stay spicy. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.